If you don't like seeing defects in your latex paint, but still struggle with sagging, spatter, or pore hiding, then it's time to take control with Rheology optimization. Let's be honest. Latex paint defects aren't just frustrating, they're expensive. Sagging, spatter, brush marks, instability, they all trace back to one thing: rheology, the science of flow and deformation in latex paints. The best formulators don't just guess, they engineer the way their latex paints move, from the can to the wall. Rheology controls everything from brush drag and leveling to pigment suspension and anti-settling in latex paints. And when you understand how to build the right viscosity profile using the right mix of associative thickeners like HIR and HAS, you unlock superior application, better hiding, and rock-solid stability in latex paints. Our online training cuts through the complexity. You'll learn to tackle defects at the source, boost thickener efficiency, and fine-tune flow for the perfect balance of leveling, durability, and cost in latex paints. We'll show you step-by-step diagnostic tools, case studies, and practical strategies you can use from day one. If you're an R&D chemist, formulator, engineer, or anyone serious about high-performance latex paints, this is for you. Don't just fix defects after the fact, prevent them with precision. Join us and position yourself at the leading edge of latex paint technology. Ready to transform your latex paint game? Enroll now and let's master Rheology together. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, don't forget to check out our newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand courses.